Hi there, my name is Raymond. Today I would like to share with you a great feature in Placeit.net that has a super impressive action on Redbubble.com. Okay, we all know Placeit.net as the best and largest mockup generator out there, where you can make professional mockups for promoting your designs in different products like t-shirts, hoodies, and home decors as shower curtains and pillows and etc. These mockups are very important in your promotions because they are more convincing and realistic for your customer. And other than making mockups, you can also provide mini gigs on freelancing platforms using Placeit.net, and I will talk about that later. And with regards to today's feature, Placeit.net provides an incredible, attractive template for a Redbubble product that helps you to make more sales. This special product is the coffee mug, and the most important thing in coffee mug to be sold well in such sites, the coffee mug has two designs on its both sides, the left and the right sides. And already I have talked regarding this topic in a previous video, okay, that you can make a double-sided mug with similar or different design. And to see how with that, just going to Placeit.net, and here in the search bar you can type coffee mug template, coffee mug template, like that. Okay, and here you will find a fantastic bunch of coffee mug templates. Each template has two designs or graphics which are related to each other in a funny and harmony way. Okay, like this one of Corgi Dog, okay, and this one and this one, and many of these coffee mug templates. Okay, to make it clear, we can check one of them and we can try this coffee mug template of Corgi Dog. Okay, and here in this funny coffee mug template of Corgi Dog, you will find two graphics or two text designs which are relevant to each other's. You can see this left graphic will be in the left side of your coffee mug, and this one will be on the right side of your coffee mug. And really, the most incredible point of this coffee mug on Placeit, its dimensions, because they are completely fit to your coffee mug on Redbubble. Okay, and by the way, you can make any changes for this coffee mug template, like you can change this texts, okay, from here. You can remove this guess what, okay, by other words or other sentences. You can choose your favorite fonts from here, okay, and of course you can change the color, black, red, yellow, blue, and so on. Okay, you can add another text, it's up to you. Upload logo. You can change this background. You can change this background to yellow, green, blue, or make it transparent, okay, like this. Okay, you can change this graphics or this text by this graphics found in Placeit library, okay, or you can change your own graphics or your designs. Like I will upload an image, okay, from here, and you will be change the left one, upload image, okay. I can pick up this, crop, okay, and let's change the other one, upload image, okay, like that. There are two graphics of Kitty, okay. This will be on the left side of your coffee mug, and this one will be on the right side of your coffee mug. Please don't move anyone, don't move anyone. They are completely fit your coffee mug on Redbubble, okay. Just finish this template, okay, download from here, processing your design, just a few seconds. Click here to download. That's awesome. We are going to Redbubble like this. You can just edit your coffee mugs, okay? And we will replace this image or this design with the one we are just downloaded from Placeit. Go replace image, okay, and choose this one. And here is this perfect result. And as I said before, you will see this coffee mug template on Placeit will be completely suitable for your coffee mug on Redbubble. As you see, both designs or graphics are exactly on the centers of both sides of this mug, unbelievably. Okay, so in Placeit.net, you will see many other coffee mug templates. Just make some clicks and just make some replacements, and you will get awesome coffee mug template for your Redbubble mugs. And of course, by using Placeit.net, you can just make mockups, very outstanding mockups for promoting this awesome product. This for your mugs on social media, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and etc. So God willing, you will make more sales in Redbubble and buy this awesome product, and by using this awesome site Placeit.net without using any professional programs like Photoshop or Illustrator or any other tools, just by using Placeit.net for making mockups, and of course by using coffee mug templates. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. See you in the next video. Goodbye.